Hey guys, Chris from Concrete Lab here. Once you've built your mould, silicone the edges, the next thing you need to do is apply mould release oil. You're going to need our mould release oil, a microfiber cloth and some kitchen roll. The mould release oil needs to be applied sparingly, so you've got a thin coat over the whole mould, but not too much on there, making sure you get all the lips. And once you're done, any excess can be wiped out with a bit of kitchen roll, especially on any vertical lips you're doing, as if there's too much mould release on there, the concrete will sag down. Once that's done, you're good to go.